So this is a little video on updating what we're doing with our apple orchard. This particular one didn't make it, but you can see with the T-posts and the white tape, that's what we used to keep the deer off, which we did keep the deer off, but you can see weeding in here was kind of a nightmare. And mowing in here with the T-posts is a nightmare. So we are moving to tree tubes to keep anything from nipping the trunks and keeping the deer off them. And this is also something we did. We put, this is, I don't know if you can see that, fishing line with pie tins. Especially if you can do 2 pie tins on fishing line, deer really don't like that. So I'm probably going to put fishing line or pie tins, probably not on fishing line, on the actual tree, something softer, to keep them off once I remove these T-posts. So I've weeded around the bottoms because apples have shallow roots and really don't like competition of grass. So I've weeded and mulched it, and actually what's underneath here is some cardboard. Cardboard is a very good mulch for keeping weeds down, and then I put mulch on top of it. So that's what we're doing. You can see we planted these trees kind of in an organic line, which is not good for mowing, especially when you have to mow as a tractor. So we are taking out the T-posts, putting down cardboard, then mulch, and wrapping up the trees. Here's one you can see where I've got some of the cardboard down. And that's a copper Lakowski coil, which is an electroculture thing, which is the opening is supposed to face north. And it's supposed to help. It seems to have, actually. This tree is going pretty well. This is a 3-year-old tree. But also these trees got watered really well. Apple trees or new orchard trees need a 5-gallon bucket of water every week, even if it drizzles or rains or whatever. So this row, which was planted in 2023, were pretty good size trees to start with. This one has been trimmed and were watered well and mulched well, and they're very deep holes, and they're doing quite well. This row over here is a 1-year-old. They were planted last year, and they got a very wet spring. They got rained on well. The last part of the summer was pretty dry, and I was not diligent about watering them, and it shows. So this one did a little better. This one got more sun. So south is right that way, and the sun rises over there. So we get a fair amount of shade on the bottom part of the orchard, and the top part gets the most sun. And the more sun they get, they do grow better. So that makes a difference. Anyway, that's how we've been. Next stage to the orchard. This should be a lot easier to, once we take these T-posts out, to mow around with the 0-turn instead of the tractor. And I'm just going to do some more mulch, more cardboard and more mulch. And I'm going to plant daffodils. Deer do not like daffodils. So hopefully that helps. Actually, what we did seems to have worked. We did not get deer eating these trees. But we have a lot of woods, and we are not city folks. The neighbors do shoot at deer, so our deer are quite cautious. They will come up here when those pears are dropping fruit, or when that pecan is dropping nuts, or when that is down there, the one with the leaves still on it, it's a chestnut. They will come for those, but they skedaddle, and they have not seemed to have tried to eat the apple trees, which were pretty well protected like that one. So hopefully this method will suit us in the mowing. And if we add pie tins, hopefully they won't eat the tops. So that's what we're doing this year.